Hi everybody. So for tonight's ed puzzle, what we're going to do is we're just going to do two practice problems of what we worked on Tuesday. So not today's lesson, but Tuesday's lesson. This one was the one that was actually easier. You did not need to use you didn't have to do any math. You just had to use the table. So we're going to go through two of them and hopefully we can see how much you guys remember. So number one says Beverly Hibbs earns $325 a week. She is single and claims two allowances. What amount is withheld weekly for federal income tax? So when we do this, all that we really have to do is we have to remember the 3 steps for using the table. So if we start with step 1, the first thing we are going to be deciding is whether or not to use the single table or the married table. So in this case, Beverly is single. So of course we're using the single table. So that's just our step 1, is making that decision. Step 2, we need to think about the gross pay. So how much Beverly is making before taxes are taken out. So we were given a number, it's right here, 325. But we should remember that we're not going to be able to find that exact number on the table. So instead, we're going to have to look for a range. So the number 325 is typically somewhere in between 320 and 330. So this number falls right in between here. So this is what we're looking for, this range when we go to our table. And then finally, step 3 is we need to know how many allowances that Beverly claims, and that was the next thing we were given, which is 2. Okay. Also, what we need to remember is because we know all 3 of these things now, we need to know where on the table are we going to find these numbers. So in step 3, when we're looking for the number 2, we should remember that the number 2 is going to be located on top. And then our range, the 320 to 330, this we find on the left-hand side. All right, so we're going to go ahead now. We're going to go find our table. We're looking for the single one. Oh, that was the first one. Everybody see how it's a single on top? We are looking for the number 2 on top. These are the numbers that you're choosing from. So you're looking for the number 2 and you're going to put a circle around it. Now on the left-hand side, we have these bigger numbers. Okay, it goes all the way down. And we are looking for the range 320 to 330. So if we zoom in, I see 75 to 80, I see 90, 95, I see 110 to 115. I'm just skipping around. We're not there. We're looking for 320 to 330. If we keep going, eventually we should see those numbers. So we're looking for 300s. We're in the 100s, now in the 200s. Now we're moving into the 300s. 320 to 330. I see it right here. Now that you've found your numbers, we are going to look where they meet in the middle. So starting at this number 2 that we put a circle around, we are going to go down, 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 as far as we can go until we get to our other numbers that we circled. We circled these, so now we need to go to the right, 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 right. And these 2 lines are about to touch, and they're about to touch at the number 16. That's how we use the chart. So 16 is our answer for number 1. $16 is how much is going to get taken out for the federal income tax. Okay, last one. Rebecca Davis earns $415 a week. She is married and claims 3 allowances. What amount is withheld weekly for federal income tax? So again, we are starting with our step 1. So the decision we are making is to use the married table because she is married. You just have to look. It says it right here. Step 2, we need to decide, well, not decide, but we need to figure out how much does she earn. So they do tell us that she earns $415, but once again, we need to look for a range. So somewhere where $415 is close. So I would say $410 to $420 because $415 would fall right in the middle of that. And then finally in step 3, you're telling me how many allowances Rebecca claims. In this case, it's 3. Okay. So we are going to our married table now. We are looking for the number 3 on top, and we are looking for our range on the left-hand side. All right, so let's go to our married one. Here's married. On top, we are looking for the number 3. I see it. I'm going to put a circle around it. On the left-hand side, we are now looking for the range 410 to 420. So let's zoom in. These are the 100s. These are the 200s. These are the 300s. Let's keep going until we get to the 400s. Here are the 400s. You are looking for 410 to 420. Hopefully you all can see it's right here. So now we are going to meet in the middle. We're starting at our number 3, and we are going down, 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 down. I'm going to stop a little bit. I'm going to start over here now at our circled, and I'm going to go to the right. Right, 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 right. And then we shall see that we are about to touch the number 8. So in this case, it's $8 is getting taken out for federal income tax for number 2. That's our final answer. All right, guys, that's all for tonight. Okay, and I'll see everybody tomorrow. Bye, guys.